Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to link captions to a video segment. Also, before we start, if you want to make a new Capcut account and support the channel in the same time, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Alright, so let's get started. So it can be quite annoying when you're editing a video, you've already generated your captions, but then you still need to make some cuts on the video and delete some segments. So usually when you delete a segment of a video, the captions will remain up here. So let's try it. Let's delete this segment and see what happens to the captions. Now, as you can see, the captions for that video segment are still up here. So let me show you how to fix that. Let's just quickly bring back this part of the video. So what you need to do from here is go to this clip icon right here that says turn on linkage. You will click on it, and now all of your captions are linked to the video. So let's try to delete this video segment now. And as you can see, the captions that were connected to that video segment were also deleted. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the links in the description if you want to support the channel, and leave a like and subscribe.